What's going on, lemons? Welcome back to the channel. So today we're gonna do something a little bit different. We're gonna be doing a garage update since we have some new vehicles on the channel and I haven't been able to make anything about them just yet. So this is our 06 WRX TR. I just put these new wheels on them, the Methods 15-inch with the off-road wheels. Terrell had Terrell helped me put the new suspension on, so we did KYB Forester suspension, and then I did Forester Spring, so everything is brand new. We're going to be taking this thing off-road and not track related, but we're going to go do some rally racing and stuff like that, just like what I've always wanted to do with the other STIs. But so right now we have a new motor that's in it. It was leaking a little bit of oil, so I don't want to try to drive it just in case it leaks too much oil and we blow the motor again. So we're gonna put it on the trailer, we're gonna take it back to the house, and then we'll go over a few more things. The exhaust is also not connected. It's missing about that much of the exhaust, so it's super loud, but let's get this thing on. 21 TRD Pro Tacoma. Had it for probably 6 months now, give or take. We had a 4Runner TRD Pro previously that we never showed on the channel. I kind of did a video and I never put it out. Sold that. I wanted another vehicle like this, so we ended up getting the Tacoma. Now we are actually going to be selling this one probably within the next few days. Right now we're actually waiting. Someone is coming to come purchase the camper shell, so get some money back on that, sell the truck, and then go on from there. But again, we're gonna go over kind of some of the vehicles that we have now on the channel that obviously we've seen. We have some vehicles that we bought that we haven't put on the channel yet, so you guys can see those. We have some new cars that are gonna be coming in for the channel, and obviously we have some cars that are leaving the channel here now as well. We're currently on our way right now to sell the truck and get the new vehicle. Pretty much gonna be what we already had before. Again, we didn't show it on the channel, but we just talked about it. So I'll show you guys the new vehicle here in a few minutes once we get pulled up. Finally made it. Here's the 21 TRD Pro that we just traded and got ourselves a TRD off-road 2018 4Runner, but brand new tires. We were cutting close. We had probably about 632 left on the tires on ours, so pretty still okay. This got the winch on it, the light bars, basically brand new tires. These are about 2 years old, but the tread it's all still there. Doesn't even look like they've even really seen the road. Got these little side steps, don't really care too much about those, but it looks just like the TRD Pro that we had previously, the 4Runner, again, that we didn't have on the channel yet. Some little things here and there about it. Kind of plastic dipped the bumper. A little bit of the paint is kind of pinstriped here. It's an Arizona car, obviously. People go off-roading a lot over here, so can't really see it. Got some paint chips, kind of a little paint thing there, but again, not going to really put way too many miles on this thing. It's really just going to be an around town, and then every now and then when we go actually take it on the adventures that we're going to do for the segments on this channel. So other than that, everything else is pretty good. Does have a little bit of a wobble. I don't know if it's the tire balance. They did new rotors, they did new brakes on the rear. I just don't know if the weights kind of fell off possibly on the wheel, so it kind of shakes when you go above 50. They are 285s, so bigger than factory tires. Obviously it's a little bit higher as well, so we'll see. Now that we picked up the new car, we have two vehicles that we've already shown on the channel that you guys are probably familiar with. So one, we got the Evo X, and then we got the Focus RS as well. So plans with this car, the Evo X might actually be getting sold / traded eventually. Still not done making content on it. It's a lot of fun to drive. Just got to kind of fix some more things that keep going wrong with the vehicle. So we're just trying to fix that. The RS, obviously we just got that one, so we got a few more things that we want to do to it before we even consider selling it or anything. Honestly, the RS is something I've been looking for such a long time. I'm probably going to keep it for a few years at least, which is kind of crazy because we don't really keep vehicles that long in the channel. But there's those two there. Here is our unseen on the channel 2005 Corolla XRS. Now the paint is absolutely trashed on this thing, but it's got 130,000 miles on it, clean title, and runs really well. Now the transmission, when you are, it's dead right now. It's been here for a few months. We haven't charged it. But the transmission, when you're above 6,000 and the second cam turns on, and then you try to shift out of it, it grinds. So we definitely might need some synchros. Found some parts on Marketplace that I am really tempted to buy for it. But this one, we're kind of just seeing where it goes with it. Really good deal that we found on it, so I had to buy it. Like most of the cars on the channel, it's a really good deal. I'll just buy it, and then, you know, we'll get to it eventually. But that's the 05 XRS. Just put a newer battery in the XRS. Haven't driven it or started it in about 4 to 5 months. It literally just turns right on, no issues. Old Toyotas are the best. It's so smooth too. Just, it's cable driven throttle, so you definitely have a little delay with everything, but that's how you know you're giving it gas or not, because you can feel everything. So just kind of parking cars right now, putting them wherever we can, make some space for some of these other projects that might be coming in. But the XRS is definitely something we're going to keep, definitely something we're going to build. Just don't know what we're going to do or when we're going to do it, but yeah. Last but not least, we have our 1986 BMW E30. I don't remember if this ever made it to the channel yet. It might have been in the background in some of the videos, but it's not going to take a lot of work from what I was kind of looking into. It might. Haven't really done anything. Got power to the dash. All the tires are basically exploded on this thing, but we used to have an E30 on the channel. I wanted a two-door, and I wanted an all black one this time, so we found this one. Someone kind of offered me for it, so don't know if it's going to stay, don't know if we're going to build it or anything like that, but that is the last car on the channel so far that we have that we're, kind of doing something with.